Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix search bar which is not working. Okay, let's start. First is you need to locate your cursor here in this Windows icon and then do a right click and go for Task Manager. Okay, so once you open your Task Manager, just expand it and here under the background processes, just click anywhere and then type S in your keyboard. And since our search bar is not working, just have to click this and do a right click and then end task. So the moment you click end task, your Windows will automatically reset or restart your search icon. And let's say if it doesn't, then just manually restart your computer. Okay? So let's say if it's still not working, then let's go to this Windows Explorer, just go back to this Task Manager and go for Windows Explorer and then right click and then select Restart. Okay? So after that, just simply close this. And if it is still not working, then let's proceed to our next step, which is to go for Run. Just click here, right click and Run. And then here, you need to input this command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Just have to copy this, minimize, then click and then paste and then OK. And then here, it will ask, this window will open here. Just click on next and this will automatically detect the problems of your computer. So here just have to select, identify your problem. You can start a search or see results and or file or folders, applications don't appear in results or Outlook search doesn't return results, search or indexing is slow or my problem isn't listed above. Just have to click or simply choose your problem here and click on next. And after that, you just have to restart your computer. Okay? And now your search bar will work again. Okay? So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.